Ever thought about going on Clomid? Find out next as we discuss this. The first topic then we were going to talk about is obviously fertility on TRT. HCG has had that sort of influence. A lot of people are taking HCG alongside their TRT following the sort of Lipschultz study that summarized things, right? So Clomiphene, Clomid, and I know we don't have it here, but there's Enclomiphene as well. Do you or have you seen, or do you think that, I mean, I've seen a few people trying this that have done this, and a few doctors that do use this, but what are your thoughts on using it for fertility and almost in the same way that you would use HCG?
Yeah, I really believe if anybody wants to learn about testosterone or HCG or clomiphene, or they should be on excelmail.com.
Yeah,
I'm proud of it. It's a forum site, so people actually give you a lot of comments. But when you go to Enclomiphene, and there are a lot of guys have tried it, and we don't have it legally by a brand name here in the States. The company that tried to get it approved for hypogonadism was shut down. The FDA shut down their application twice or three times because they didn't see, even though on paper guys look beautiful, and that's one of the things about clomiphene and even Enclomiphene, is that on paper guys look beautiful, meaning LH is good, FSH is good, their testosterone is good, free testosterone is good, sex hormone binding globulin sometimes goes up, but in general, on paper they look beautiful. But all the guys on the side, and there, I don't know how many posts there are on Enclomiphene, there are bunches. I have not seen one that have told me that they feel more sexual or better erectile function. Some of them have switched from a plain clomiphene, which is really clomiphene or Clomid is comprised of two isomers, enclomiphene and sulcomyphene. Clomiphene seems to be the most estrogenic and blah, blah, blah. So they've removed that. And this company only obviously produced Enclomiphene for the studies. I was excited. I really wanted to see better sexual function, because that really is on Clomid. That's really what guys say usually. My paperwork is beautiful. My doctor is happy with my numbers, but I'm still, still don't have that sexual edge that I need.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I'm seeing the same thing here with Enclomiphene. Nobody, that's how I know things, because I haven't obviously tried it. I tried a lot of things, but I haven't. And and the only way people are getting here in the States is through compounding pharmacy or two that are making it, even though it's not in the FDA list. And some guys are importing it too. So I would always love to see a test, basically testing when we're getting things from either importation or the internet, or whether or not it really is truly. But, there is a reason why the FDA shut down that application twice. It never got approved. Actually, the company just abandoned the whole process of getting it approved for LOT.
Yeah.
So I'm not very excited.
That's for monotherapy that we were talking about. This Androxyl, I think, was the product's name by Respirion, I think, Therapeutics. And I read the paper as well, the FDA response, and their response was they didn't like the clinical endpoints that were chosen, and it was like, yeah, of course, Enclomiphene or even Clomiphene will raise your testosterone levels. We want to see some better endpoints, and you didn't do the studies on the endpoints, like grip strength or how far you can walk, and so
outcome measures were not good enough. All right, thanks for putting the time to those, Nelson, and all the work you do.
No, thank you. You guys are doing great job, great work. So anytime. So let's do this again. There's a lot more topics to cover.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, thanks for watching. It's been Balance with Hormones. Hopefully the topics have been helpful. If you want to subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notifications for more content like this, we'll be back with more. Okay, thanks for listening.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.